If you want to create a YouTube video in CapCut quickly and professionally, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to CapCut a YouTube video from start to finish, using a simple step-by-step workflow that works great for beginners and creators who want to edit faster. We'll cover how to start a project, import your clips, set the correct aspect ratio for YouTube, edit your footage, add effects and captions, export in high quality, and get your video ready to upload. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy video editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut on your device and click Create Project. This is where your new edit begins, and it opens the main editing workspace so you can start building your video. Once your project opens, import the video clips, images, and audio files you want to use. You can select everything you need from your device and bring it straight into CapCut in just a few clicks. After your media is imported, drag your clips down to the timeline. The timeline is where all of your editing happens, so this is where you'll arrange your footage in the right order and start shaping your video. Now, before you do too much editing, click the ratio option below the preview player. For regular YouTube videos, choose 16:9. This is the standard widescreen format that fits YouTube perfectly. If you're editing a YouTube short instead, choose 9:16 so the video fills the vertical mobile screen properly. This small step is important because it helps your final video look clean and professional on the platform you're uploading to. Next, start editing your video by trimming, splitting, and rearranging clips. If there are any mistakes, pauses, or extra sections you don't want, trim them out. If you need to cut one clip into separate parts, use the split tool. And if the order of your scenes needs to change, simply drag the clips around in the timeline until everything flows the way you want. This is where your video really starts coming together. After that, you can make your edit more engaging by adding text, transitions, effects, music, or captions. Text can help highlight important points. Transitions can make scene changes smoother. Effects can add style. Music can make the video feel more polished. And captions can improve accessibility and help viewers follow along, even with the sound off. The key is to use these tools with purpose, so your video looks clean, not cluttered. Once your edit is complete, it's time to export. Click Export, then choose your resolution. For most YouTube videos, 1080p is a great choice, but if you want the highest quality and your footage supports it, 4K is even better. Also, make sure you choose your preferred frame rate so your video plays smoothly. After exporting, CapCut will render your final file and save it to your device, ready for upload. The last step is simple. Upload the exported video to YouTube. Go to YouTube Studio, click Upload, select your finished file, and add your title, description, thumbnail, and tags. Once everything looks good, publish your video, and you're done. And that's how to CapCut a YouTube video from beginning to end. It's a straightforward process once you know the steps, and the more you practice, the faster your edits will become. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more CapCut and YouTube editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.